Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'll be teaching you the operators and the if loop. And let's get started with arithmetic operators and continue with logic operators. And after that, let's learn a bit about the if loop. First, as you could guess, we are using mathematic operators to do some arithmetical processing like adding some numbers to some numbers and for subtraction, division, and multiplication. The only thing that you would uh, think as a little bit confusing is multiplication's symbol. It's star. Others are the same with the uh, marks we use in the daily life. Slash, minus, and plus like this. And our second operators are logic operators. Our first logic operator is two and marks. As you could guess, it's and operator. And when we use and operator, the both conditions should be true. If not, it would return the false value as a boolean. And the our second operator is OR operator. If one of the conditions that we enter to this uh, condition, it will be true. For example, if 2 equals 2 or 3 equals to 4, will return the true value because one of the statements is true. And we use this mark for not. It's not returning a boolean value, but we use it when making conditional stuff. Let's first make some examples about the arithmetical operators and continue with logic operators. But before logic operators, we have to understand about the if loops a little bit because we cannot use uh, these guys without if loop. Okay, then let's start. First, I would like to create three variables. First one is an integer a equals to 15, and integer b equals to 26. Oh no, just make it 5 because we want to make some division, and when division we cannot take the most accurate results with integers. Then if you want, just make another a variable called int uh result. Yeah, int result equals to a plus b, and print it if you want. System out print line results like this. Okay, just print it, and as you could see, you will take the results 20. Then let's make a subtraction, and we will take 10. Yeah, we have taken 10. Let's divide 15 to 5. We'll be taking the 3, and let's make 15 times 5. We have to take 75, I suppose. And we have taken 75. Yeah. Then let's continue with the if loop. First, we have to write if parenthesis like this. I don't remember the name of these guys. Just we have to write a boolean stuff like, for example, if wait, we have to write integer a equals to 5. Okay, let's continue then. If a not equals to 4, but be careful on making if loops. If you don't use not mark, it won't be a null. No, because in this line of code, Java would understand that and understand as you are trying to define another value, a variable. But if you use this mark, Java would understand that you are trying to make a conditional. And Java would understand it as a conditional, and your if loop won't give any errors. If a not equals to 4, that's just system dot out dot print line uh, a doesn't equal to 4. Okay, let's just run it. And we have taken the a doesn't equal to 4. And if you want uh, another response from your program, if the value is not true, you have to use else. Else system out print line a equals to 4, like this. Then let's make this as 4, and we will take a equals to 4. And if you want to make another conditional, for example, if this is not true, I want to give another condition. Use else if a equals to 3, like this. And right like this. Whatever you want. Okay, you could create hundreds of else ifs, but also you could use if for these, but I generally prefer using else if for doing the same stuff, because I'm not being confused. Okay, if you want, let's just test it out. And a equals to 4, like this. And let's continue with doing another stuff with this. Let's create another variable, int b equals to 16, or no, 15. Or b equals to 15. No. As you could understand, we cannot use like this. But we could use like this. If you want to use something like that, you're saying B is bigger than 15. And the opposite will be the same. B is smaller than 15. I will use bigger. And then just write hello world like this. As you could see, one of them is true, technically, because it's bigger or equals to 15. But if we use just this mark, it would mean that it equals to 15. And with this, both of them would be false, and we would take the response hello world. And if you want, let's make this end and do like one of them is true, but we would take hello world. Why? Because when we use the AND operator, it would return. It has to have two true statements to return the true Boolean value. That's why we have taken the hello world response. Okay, I'm thinking that yeah, I think I told you everything I have to teach you today. I hope you enjoyed my video. If you want me to continue these kind of videos, please like and subscribe to my channel, and write down in the comment section. Your comments are so important for me. Okay, that's all for today, I suppose. Take care. Goodbye.